In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Equalizer APO app or program on your Windows computer. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you had installed Equalizer APO app and you can't uninstall it, maybe you can't also even see the shortcut, then let me show you how you can remove this if you no longer need it. To do this, you need to go ahead and find control panel on your Windows computer, or if you can't see this control panel, head to start menu, and then if you click on start menu, and then go ahead and search for control panel. So I'll type control panel. And you can see control panel is here. Now from this, go ahead and look for programs and features. And this will go ahead and open all your current programs installed on your computer. If these are too small, you can go ahead and click here for more options and then choose large icons here. And this will change the icon size. Now from this, look for Equalizer APO, and you can see mine is here. Once you have identified it, now you can right click on it and then choose uninstall. Go ahead and click on OK to confirm that indeed you want to uninstall. Click on next. Let me remove this window, and then next again, and check remove configuration and registry backup to uninstall everything, and then finally click on uninstall. This will go ahead and remove it, and you'll be asked to reboot your computer, or you can also do it later by clicking on I want to manually reboot later. So I'll choose the second option. Now if I go back to my list, you can see our Equalizer APO is no longer among the list. So that's how you can uninstall Equalizer APO program from your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.